What's up, YouTube? How y'all doing today? Y'all doing alright? Alright. Your boy just got over a cold, It's this weather changing up on you and whatnot. But anyways, I got this new shower head. It has a filter on it. It has a 3-quart filter on it. So I was gonna just do a review on it and whatnot. But if I cut the light on, the fan's gonna come on. So so y'all gonna have to excuse the noise when I cut it on. The shower head's pretty cool. I bought it from China. So what I'm gonna do eventually is get another one. I'm just trying to test this out and see how it works and see how it goes and whatnot. So it's supposed to last up to 6 months before you change the filter. We'll see about that. So here we go. Let's get into this. Alright, let's go get it. Oh yeah, I got a green light. Don't be dogging my shower, and whatnot, got a little problems right here. There's no light. But as you can see, this, like, the filter's in there, it's white. I don't know if y'all can see it or whatnot. And then down here, below, right there, that's a button. It has 2 stages. And I don't know if y'all can see the Chinese writing or not on it. But yeah, that's it. Show y'all. This thing has some crazy wind action. I don't know why or whatnot, but let me show y'all. Like, watch. Look at my curtains. It's just floating. I mean, you can feel the wind in here from right here. You can just feel it. But I know y'all can't see it, but I know y'all can't see the water. So let's put it. Let's try it like that again. I can hit the little button and then shoot set like that. This is probably a horrible video, but it is what it is. I tried my best, I tried my best. I wasn't gonna put the content out, but I figured I might as well. Somebody might be looking at one, wanting to know something about it. But that one right there, so it's only a 3-stage, so that's what that one is. And it's a high pressure sprayer filter. That's what they call it in China, I guess. That's where I bought it from. So, if you're looking to get one, you can and whatnot. So, alright, peace.